Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I know, it's been a while. I hope you've missed me because I sure have missed you. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through and demonstrating how to remove lint from your little ones and natural hair. Okay, so what you're going to need is a soft bob bristle brush, stockings or tights. You want to wrap the stockings or tights around the head of the bob bristle brush, and then we're going to get started. Now, before anything, we need to take the elastic bands out of the hair first. Now, in order to create lint on my daughter's hair, seriously guys, I had to use elastic bands. I had to keep her protective styling for 2 weeks. I had to also moisturize her hair in the protective style just to create lint. Like, I know exactly what to do to get lint in my daughter's hair. So as you can see now, we're looking at the lint. You can see it's formed around the base. Now, if you're not aware what lint is, basically lint is often a combination of dust, product build up, when they lie down on certain fabrics or where they come into contact with other fabrics, the particles in the environment combine and get attached to the roots, the base of the hair, and the combination of all of this is what you call lint. So as you can see now, I am using the ball bristle brush wrapped in the stockings or tights around the base to remove the lint. Now, in gentle strokes in a downward motion, I am using the brush to remove the lint from my daughter's hair. Now, you want to take your time when you're doing this. You want to be gentle so that you're not causing any damage to the cuticle layer. Even though you're using a soft brush, you still want to make sure you're brushing downwards, and you still want to make sure that you are taking your time to remove the lint. So as you can see, I'm using gentle but fast strokes in a downward motion to get rid of the lint. So I'm making sure that I am checking all around the base. So I found some more lint around the other side of her plait. So I'm basically going to go all the way around just to ensure that I am removing all the lint from around the base of her hair. So I'm just checking to see if it's all gone. As you can see, there's not much left at all. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to unravel the plait, and then I'm going to further remove the lint because there will always be some trapped in the plaits where you may miss. So it's always good to open up the plaits to make sure that all the lint is gone. Now with lint, it's funny because it presents itself in a form of fabric like wool or cotton thread like material. It's very obvious what it is when you see it, that it'll be lint. It will also be kind of like white or grayish in color. So as you can see, now I've unraveled the plaits. Same motion, downward motion, quick strokes. I'm removing any trace of any lint. So as you can see, the lint is practically gone. That's how easy it is to remove lint from your little one's hair using this method. So we're going to move on to the next plait, and I'm going to let you enjoy as you watch me remove the lint from her hair. Okay, mama, so a few important things to note. Please don't shampoo your little one's hair and then attempt to remove the lint. You want to remove the lint before you even shampoo their hair, just to avoid any kind of matting, tangles, or breakage. Also, don't try and comb the lint through their hair to try and get it out. It's just going to end up spreading through the hair. It's going to make things more difficult for you. And also, you don't want to cause any kind of breakage, so you don't want to do that. And also, don't try and spray the hair, add any products or anything to their hair while you're trying to remove the lint. It's going to make things a little bit more difficult for you, which you're trying to avoid. So basically that's it. So if you look at my daughter's hair, you can see that the lint has been removed. It looks great, and now I'm ready to shampoo her hair without any lint in her hair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.